All right, as we're talking to you now, this one we are just reporting live right now. Almost getting to two company. It's actually burned down in Zingonia, and you can see the fire service. They are trying all their best to make sure that they drop the fire, but it's unfortunately right now everywhere is glass and cars. See. And they have a lot of cars being parked there. Cars has been parked there, and everywhere is blast up. It's happening right now. It's happening right now in Zingonia. Early this morning, the thing just, even the cars and some of the company nearby here, is like the fire has actually affected. Most of fire services are just arriving right now as well. I'm coming. It's happening right now here. It's unbelievable. Look at this guy. Everybody is totally burned down. Before the intervention of the fire service, like most of the things has actually go ablaze. Alright, I'll get back to you with some of the report right now.